Good morning, my friends. What up? Hey, is anybody out there? We're going to try this again. This is round two, take two, uh, repeat performance, encore presentation. This is Coffee with Len. We're sitting here in front of the beautiful Pacific Ocean up here in my deck in Baja, California. And we did this once about 20 minutes ago. And there we go. Somebody's on right now. Terry. Hello, Terry. Good morning, Terry. Good morning. We did this once about 20 minutes ago, like I said, and apparently it didn't record. I didn't see anybody on here, and it didn't record anything. So we're having a beautiful day here. You know, when you get out of bed every day, you have to be thankful for another day, and you never really know. And I was reminded that in spades yesterday when I got a call from an old friend of mine telling me another friend of mine was on his way to the gym Monday morning when he turned around and said he didn't feel good, went back home, and a few hours later, he was no more. It happened that fast. Good morning, Claudia. The reality is we need to get up. Is that, I'm sorry, I can't read the name. Oh, Charles. Hi, I'm sorry, Charles. We have to get up every morning and we have to be very grateful for what we have. Be thankful for another day because you never really know, do we? You know, the title I put up this morning was, what's your printer say? Are you happy with your life? Are you getting the things that you want in your life? Because if you're not, there's a good chance that you have some subconscious beliefs that are holding you off. Now, we've talked about this before, but it's good to bring it up again every now and then and remind ourselves. See, the world we see around us, when we look outside of ourselves, that world that we see is a printout of our subconscious beliefs. So we're not always in touch with our subconscious mind, our subconscious beliefs. We don't really know what's in there. We have stuff in there that may have been buried in there 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago by well-meaning people, parents, family, etc. But they programmed us and we're carrying around these programs. So let's talk about money, for example. Do you have the amount of money that you want to have in your life? Do you have the wealth, the prosperity? Do you have the things that you want? Or are you sitting there going, I'm working on it, but I don't know why it's not there. It just doesn't seem to come to me. It comes to everybody else. It doesn't come to me. Let's dig deeper than that. Your physical world is a manifestation of your spiritual world. It's a manifestation of what's in your subconscious mind. And if you want to know what's in your subconscious mind, just look at your physical world. The physical universe manifests what you, at your core, believe is true for you. It's that simple. It's really that simple. So here's the deal. If you don't have what you want, then we need to look deep into your subconscious mind and we have to change the programming. So good morning, Jerry. Good morning, Linda. Good morning, Claudia. Linda. And Joel, good morning. Joey. Can't, like I said, sometimes I can't see. So again, your physical world is a manifestation of your core beliefs. It's a manifestation of your subconscious mind. So you can say, well, I might be blocked. I don't know what's in there. Well, you do know what's in there. Just look around you. That's what's in there. You want to change what's around you, you got to change what's in there first. And the way we do that is we've got to overwrite the program. We have an old program, old tapes, old records that are running, and we need to overwrite them. And how do we do that? We do that with affirmations or affirmations, but we overwrite them. Now, some people say affirmations don't work, but here's the reason they don't work. The reason they don't work is because the old tapes were written over a period of many years and sometimes many hundreds of thousands of repetitions. How many times did your mother say money doesn't grow on trees? How many times a day did she say it? How many years did you hear that? So you can't expect to overwrite some of the stuff by simply going and saying to the mirror once a day, I am rich, I am wealthy, I am prosperous, You have to say it over and 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 over again. You have to repeat it frequently, continuously, and for a sustained period of time. How long? For how long? Until the record changes, until the core belief is overwritten, until you begin to see a result in your life. Good morning, Kelly. Good morning. That's how long. So it's really quite simple. It's it's simple, but it's not easy. It's simple. If you if you look at your physical manifestation, you're looking at a printout of your subconscious mind. If you don't like what you say, go to work on the subconscious mind. And if you need help doing that, ask me. I'll help you. Okay? So it's Friday. I hope you're going to have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. If you're part of the Thank God It's Friday crowd, you might want to rethink that, because those of us who have our own businesses and work from home, we don't have Fridays and Mondays. We just have days of the week. And we have that freedom. We don't have to spend our week thanking God it's Friday and then spend the next 2 days dreading that Monday's coming again. We don't live in that world. We live in a different world. Would you like to live in that different world? Talk to me about it. I can help you. So remember to be happy. Remember that the more happy you are, the more happy the universe can bring you. That's the way it works. That's the law of attraction. And be compassionate. The world needs a whole lot more of that. All right, my friends, you have a wonderful weekend. Greg, good morning. Kelly, good morning. And thank you, everyone, for joining me. Linda, I hope you're going to have a wonderful day. Linda's my sister, by the way. Claudia, good morning, my friend. You have a wonderful day, and be compassionate. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Actually, I won't talk to you tomorrow. I'll talk to you on Sunday. Bye for now.